What is geomatics? Geomatics is the combination of GIS and surveying. Basically, it's the mapping of the Earth's surface, everything to do with the data that's associated with that.
Our Geomatics team provides two main services. One is land survey and the other is geographic information systems, usually referred to as GIS. Our Geomatics team on the survey side is going to provide topographic information of the Earth. So a lot of folks think about that when they think of survey. They're thinking about the elevation of the ground, so we can identify what a site looks like, what the elevations look like, so that ultimately you can design from it. We also provide boundary line work, and that's a big part of what we do. We have a large team that's able to provide boundary work on large projects. So on a renewable energy project or even a oil and gas project, you may cover hundreds of properties. So we have teams that can go out and identify where the boundaries of all of those properties are, because the projects a lot of times are on leased land or there's agreements with landowners. But you need to know exactly where you are and what land you are on. On the GIS side, so GIS is really looking at data and using data to your advantage in a simple way to create maps, to understand what risks are on projects. We support energy, transportation, land development projects with our GIS team through understanding what the assets are and producing maps that are accurate to where those assets are located.
The stage that we're brought in, sometimes it is at the beginning. If it's a raw parcel that they're going to develop into a shopping mall or what have you, we're in very early doing the boundary survey, maybe for acquisition of the parcel, then the topographic survey. We can be there very much at the end too for as-builting, locating all the features that are built. So really we can be involved from beginning to end.
We take pride in the survey group in providing good quality survey products. And that's the reason that our survey group has grown so large over the years, is because our clients love the work that we do. We provide quality work, and it gives them what they need to do their design or whatever their project may be.
I tell our surveyors all the time that every successful project begins with great survey, and they're the ones that produce it. So really proud of our survey crews.
So our clientship philosophy was something that Claire really spearheaded and believed strongly in the early days of Fisher Associates. She knew that working in a clientship mentality would make a difference to our clients. We used to talk about that there's lots of people that can do the technical work, but doing it in a way that the client really understands and works within their context is extremely important to make it ultimately for us a powerful client experience as we try to move clients through the projects that they have.
We've had projects where we may be out on a project just doing, say, a survey, stakeout or what have you, and another issue might come up, might be structural, and we actually had that occur a couple of years ago where there was a structural concern on a project. It was late, I believe on a holiday, just prior to a holiday. The structural engineering firm that was doing the work had already left for the holidays. We luckily were close and we were able to bring our people in and solve a problem that probably would have worried them across the weekend. As it turned out, I don't believe it was a big deal, but we put their minds at rest.
Our team is top-notch. They are experts in their field. They will produce the products that will serve you well and help support getting your projects to completion, as well as help you manage maintenance of those projects in the future. So if you have any geomatics needs, please reach out to us. We'd love to assist you with them and have you experience our clientship philosophy.